Hello, I'm in a 2016 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your languages between English, Spanish, or French. So first you'll start the vehicle, which it's already started, and then wait a moment for everything to load. But here from your home screen, it's on now, you can go to configuration, and then here scroll is needed, so you get to languages, push menu, and then scroll to French, English, or Spanish. Select it, and that's it. It auto changed, so everything should be in Spanish now. Obviously I speak English, so I'm going to change it back to English. So from here, enter, and then English, enter. That's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Otherwise, I guess maybe you can learn a couple more words if you keep it on a different language. But anyways, hope you have a great day.